This video was filmed in a studio using props. Your actual experience may vary. Always read your safety tag for all the pertinent information. Remember to check the label on your device for the safe working load. Never tie down by less than 4 points on any vehicle. Inspect your vehicle every 50 miles. Consult your local DOT for specific regulations. The TH003 is a versatile tie-down that is mainly used for enclosed car trailers. Originally designed for sports car use, has now been adapted for use on larger vehicles. The TH003 was designed to be used with standard E-track, either vertical or horizontal. Although designed and best used with vertical track, it can be adapted for use in horizontal. To begin the installation of your TH003, spread the strap evenly in front of the tire. To begin installing my TH003, I take my heavy-duty end fitting and I insert it into the slot closest to the tire. So after I've installed my heavy-duty end fitting in the front, I've laid my strap down the center of the tire. I'm making sure that I engage my tire tread cleats into the tire treads, and I'm going to make sure that I force these into the forward position towards the ratchet strap before tensioning. And I'm ready to install my rolling idler. Now it's time to engage my rolling idler E-fitting. Simply going to find a hole closest to the front, just like we did in the front, and we are going to just press, slide in, and engage. Okay, so now that I've installed my rolling idler, it's time to install my tensioner. We're going to slide our webbing through the mandrel, remove all the slack by hand, very important, lay it on the track, and then we're going to engage our last E-fitting. Same way we did with our others. Slide them in and lock them down. Again, we're going to remove all slack by hand, and then we're going to lift up on the crank and we're going to give it just a couple of cranks, just enough to get it tensioned. Engage your lock, secure your additional webbing, and go on your way. So now we're going to remove our TH003, very simple. Untuck our webbing that we've stowed aside, set that to the edge. There's a couple things you need to remember when you're going to release any of these type of devices. The webbing, you'll remember when we cranked it down, we put quite a bit of tension in here, and while the vehicle was being transported, you may have even put some more tension in there. So if you take a look at this webbing, it's stiff as a board. So you just want to be mindful that when you release this webbing, you're going to be releasing all the tension that's inside this strap. We're going to lift up on our release handle. We're going to put it in the forward position almost all the way. We're going to get it there. We're going to stand back and just give it a pop. That's going to release the mechanism, which is then allow you to free spool, unsnap your fittings, and you're on your way.